that you do in this section. I did change the numbers on it, so again, don't just write down the numbers that I do right now. I'm just showing you how to find the numbers so that you can fill in. So in the project, this page, you're supposed to fill in the blank spots, okay? So let's go one row at a time. Let's start with this first row. This one has to do with discounts. So line 1 says you have an office chair. The selling price, the regular selling price, is $134.25. We don't know our markdown percent, but we do know that our sale price is $64.98. Then they add a tax and a total purchase price here. So what we want to look at is what markdown percent would we have to get $64.98. Okay, so here we go. We have our regular price and our sell price. Okay, well, your sell price is going to be the percent you pay, right? We just did some of these, times the original price. And in this right here, the selling, when they say selling price, that means that's the original price of the item, the original selling price. Okay, so right here we know we have $64.98 is the sale price of this item. Okay, we don't know our percent we paid. I'm going to put our percent right there, but we do know the original price was $134.25. So to find out what percent we're paying, we're going to divide. So we're going to have $64.98, our sale price, divided by our original price of $134.25. Again, make sure you put the top number in first, the $64.98, divided by $134.25. And what do we get? Let's just round to the nearest percent. So yeah, about 0.48. So 48%, that's the amount we're paying. So what was our discount then? If we're paying 48%, how much did we have off? So if we subtract that from 100, we know our markdown percent was 52%. Okay, we were marked down by 52%, which meant we were paying 48%, and 48% of the 134.25 was 64.98. Okay, so what you might want to do here is just come up with a regular thing you do. If you need the percent that it's marked down, what you're going to do is you're going to take the sale price, you're going to divide it by the selling price, or the original price. Okay, the next thing you do is change that to a percent, because it will give you a decimal, and then subtract from 100. Okay, so that's what we'll do anytime we are missing the percent markdown. So let's see, down here on number 10, we have that same situation. So let's go ahead and do number 10. I'm going to clear this top part off, and I'm going to clear this bottom part off too, so that we have room to work and find our answer. Okay, so let's go down, and like I said, on row 10 we have the same issue. We are given the same information. We need to find the percent markdown. So let's follow our little formula that we came up with. We take the sale price divided by the selling price. So we have an HGTV down here. The selling price was $999.99. The sale price was $749.99. So to find the percent we pay, we're going to take the $749.99 divided by the regular price, of $999.99. Okay, with that, I get about 0.75%. It's 0.749999. Okay, so that was my first step when I'm missing the percent markdown, was take the sale price divided by the selling price. Now I need to change that to a percent. So 0.75 as a percent would be 75%. Again, that's the percent I'm paying. So my markdown would be how much? So then you subtract from 100. And I find out my markdown was 25%. Okay, so in this part of the project, if you're missing the percent of the markdown, that's how you would find it. Are there any questions on that? Okay, here's a clear screen. Let's go and find something else. So when we